any term. So I can use this formula. N is the term which I want. Suppose if I want 5th term, so I have to put N5. If I want 50th term, so I have to put N50. Will be equal to A plus N minus 1D. I have to multiply D with the N minus 1th term and add A in that. Now let us see one example. Let us take an example, again the same one which we had taken, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like that it was. Now suppose here he says, okay, find 820 and 40th term. So A20 will be A plus 20 minus 1 into D. So that will be A is 1, D is 3 minus 1, 2. So 19 into 2. 1 plus 38. So 39. Therefore A20 is 39. Now if I want to find A40, 40th term, 40th term will be A40. So that will be A plus 39D. How I got this? See, A plus 40 minus 1D. I did this directly orally and I came to that. So now if I want A40, A was what? 1 plus 39 into 2, because D is 2. So 1 plus 78. So now exercise 5.2, the first question says, filling the blanks in the following table given that A is first term, D is common difference, and AN the nth term of an AP. So in the first one I am given A equal to 7, D equal to 3 and N equal to 8, and I have to find AN. So AN formula was A plus N minus 1D. So I need to find A8. So A plus 8 minus 1 into D. So A is 7 plus 8 minus 1 will be 7 into D is 3. So this will be 7 plus 21. So 28. So A8 is 28. B1 or the second one, it says first term A equal to minus 18. A equal to minus 18. D I am not given. N is 10 and AN is 0. That is, they have given me A, they have given me N 10th term, and they have given AN, that is 0. So how I can do this? Again, A10 will be A plus 10 minus 1D, because N is given 10. So A10 is 0 equal to A is minus 18 plus 9D. If I bring minus 18 on this side, so 18 equal to 90. D will be 18 by 9. So D will be 2. So I can say therefore D equal to 2. The third one, it says A is not given to me. D is minus 3. N is 18. And AN is minus 5. Again, the formula is same. AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. Now, I am putting the values. So, AN is given to me minus 5. A, I am not given. N is 18. So, 18 minus 1 into D is minus 3. So, minus 5 equal to a plus 17 into minus 3. So minus 5 equal to a plus minus 51. So if I take minus 51 on that side, so it will become plus. So minus 5 plus 51 equal to a. So a equal to 46. Fourth one, it says given a equal to minus 18.9, d is 2.5, and I am not given, and an is 3.6. So again the same formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1d. An is 3.6 equal to a is minus 18.9 plus n I don't know, so n minus 1 into d is 2.5. So 3.6. If I bring minus 18.9 on the other side, it will become plus. So 18.9 equal to 2.5 into n minus 1. So this will be 22.5. Now 2.5, if I bring on the left hand side, it will go in divide, equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 will be equal to 9. So n equal to 9 plus 1. So n equal to. Fifth one, it says a equal to 3.5, d equal to 0, n equal to 105, and an equal to question mark. So see, an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So an a105 will be equal to a, so 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 into 0. So anything into 0 will be 0. So a105 will be directly 3.5. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. The first one is 30th term of an AP, 30th term of an AP, 10, 7, 4, is. Now A option is 97, B option is 77, C option is minus 77, D option is minus 80. So how I can do? See, first I am given 30th term. So n is 30. An will be A30, that I have to find. Then A is 10, D is 7 minus 10, so minus 3. Now using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So A30 equal to a. So 10 plus 30 minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. So A30 will be 10 minus 3 into 29. 87. So 10 minus 87 will be minus 77. So therefore A30 will be minus 77 will be the correct option. So my correct option is C1. Then the second one in that, it says 11th term of an AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 so on is. A is 28, B is 22, C is minus 38, D is minus 48, integer 1 by 2. So first 11 term means n is 11. A11 I have to find. A is minus 3. D will be minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. So it will be minus half plus 3. So doing LCM here, 2 minus 1 plus 6. So 5 by 2. Now I need to find A11. So A plus 11 minus 1D. So that will be A is minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. So 2 5s are, so 25 minus 3. So that will be 22. So A11 will be 22. Here question 3 says in the following APs find the missing terms in the boxes. First one is given 2 comma box 26. So can I say this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. So A1 or A equal to 2. D I don't know. I know A3 equal to 26. So can I say A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1D? So 26 equal to A. A is 2 plus 2D. 26 minus 2 will be 2D. 24 equal to 2D. So D will be 24 by 2. So D equal to 12. Now the second one, in that it says box 13 box 3. So A1, A2, A3, A4. So now see here what I know. A2, that is A plus D, equal to 13. A4, that is A plus 3D, that is 3. So if I give them 1 and 2 equation and I use the linear pair to solve them by elimination method, so can I say A plus D equal to 13 and A plus 3D equal to 3. So subtracting A cancel. So minus 2D equal to 10. So D will be minus 10 by 2. So D will be minus 5. Now I got D, but I still don't know A1. So to find A1, A1 will be equal to A2 minus D. So that is A2 is 13 minus 3. So that will be 13 plus 3, so 16. Now A3 I don't know. So A3 will be A2 plus D. So A2 is 13 plus D minus 5. So 13 minus 5 will be 8. So A1 is 16, A3 is 8. The next one is 5 box 9 integer 1 by 2. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So here A equal to 5, A4 equal to 9 integer 1 by 2. So that will be 19 by 2. Now A4 will be A plus 3D. 19 by 2 equal to 5 plus 3D. 19 by 2 minus 5 equal to 3D. So 19, doing LCM, 19 minus 10, 3D. 9 by 2, 3 is in multiplication, so here it will be in divide. 3 ones are 3 threes are equal to D. So D will be 3 by 2. Now I got D, I know A, so I can find A2. A2 will be equal to A plus D. So 5 plus 3 by 2. So 10 plus 3 by 2. 13 by 2. So therefore A2 equal to 13 by 2, and A3 will be A plus 2D. 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. So 5 plus 3. A3 will be 8. Fourth one says, so here I can say A, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. So A equal to minus 4, A6 equal to 6. So A6 will be equal to A plus 5D. 6 equal to minus 4 plus 5D. 6 plus 4 equal to 5D. D will be equal to 10 by 5. So therefore D equal to 2. Now I know D equal to 2. So I can get all the terms. A2 equal to A plus D minus 4 plus 2. So minus 2. A3 will be A plus 2D. So minus 4 plus 4, 0. A4 will be A plus 3D. So minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. So 2. A5 will be A plus 4D. Minus 4 plus 4 2s are 8. So 4. And then I got 6. So I have got all the terms. Then says and 22. So A I don't know. A plus D I know. That is A2 I know. A3 I don't know. A4 I don't know. A5 I don't know. A6 I know. So A2, that is A plus D, equal to 38. And A6, that is A plus 5D, equal to 22. So if I do elimination method here, so A cancel, minus 4D will be 16. So D will be minus 16 by 4. So D equal to minus 4. Now I got D, so I can get all the values. Fifth one, I am given A2, that is A plus D, equal to 38. And A6 is A plus 5D, that is minus 22. So if I do elimination method here, so A got cut, minus 4D equal to 38 plus 22 will happen. So 38 plus 22 will be 60. So D will be minus 60 by 4. So D will be minus 50. Now I got D value. Now I have to find A value. So A plus D equal to 38. So A minus 15 equal to 38. So A will be 38 plus 15. So A I will get as 53. Now I got D value, I got A value, so I can get all the values. A3 will be A plus 2D. So 53 plus 2 into minus 15. So 53 minus 30. That will be 23. Then A4 a plus 3d. So 53 plus 3 into minus 15. 53 minus 45. So that is 8. And a5, a plus 4d. 53 plus 4 into minus 15. Minus 7. Now, fourth question is which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So, can I say A equal to 3? D will be 8 minus 3, that is 5. And AN equal to 78. So, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. I have to find the value of N. So 78 equal to 3 plus 5 into N minus 1. So 78 minus 3 by 5 will be N minus 1. So 75 by 5 equal to N minus 1. So 15 equal to N minus 1. So N will be 15 plus 1. So N equal to 16. So 16th term of the AP will be 78. That says find the number of terms in each of the following AP. A equal to 7, D equal to 13 minus 7. So 13 minus 7 will be 6 and AN equal to 205. So again the same formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So 205 equal to 7 plus 6 into N minus 1. So can I say 205 minus 7 equal to 6 into N minus 1? So 198 divided by 6 will be N minus 1. So 33 equal to N minus 1. So N will be 34. So A equal to 18 here. D is 31 by 2 minus 18. So that will be 31 minus 36 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 D I will get. And AN equal to minus 47. Again AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So minus 47 equal to 18 plus N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So minus 47 minus 18 equal to minus 5 by 2 into N minus 1. So minus 65 into minus 2 by 5 equal to N minus 1. So 26 equal to N minus 1. So N equal to 27. So I got N equal to 27. Check whether minus 150, okay, so AN is minus 150, is a term of AP. AP given to me is 11, 8, 5, 2, dot, dot, dot. So now I have to check for that. So let us do the same thing. A is 11. D will be 8 minus 11. So 8 minus 11 will be minus 3. And AN already we know. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So minus 150 equal to 11 plus N minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 150 minus 11 equal to minus 3 into N minus. So minus 161 equal to minus 3N plus 3. So I can say minus 161 minus 3 equal to minus 3N. So minus 164 upon minus 3 equal to N. So n equal to 164 by 3. And see, 164 is not divisible by 3. So therefore minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Now, 7th question says find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So, A31 I have to find, A11 is given to me, A16 is given to me. So, can I say A11 will be A plus 10D, which is equal to 38, 1. A16 will be A plus 15D, which is equal to 73, 2. Now, doing 2 minus 1. So, it's A plus 15D equal to 73, A plus 10D equal to 38. Subtracting them, A got cancelled. 5D equal to 35. So D will be 35 by 5, which is equal to 7. So now we got D. Now putting this D equal to 7 in equation 1. A plus 10 into 7 will be 38. A equal to 38 minus 70. So A will be minus 32. Now I got value of A, I know value of D. So I can find A31. So A31 will be A plus 30D. So minus 32 plus 30 into 7. So minus 32 plus 210. So 178. Therefore A31 equal to 170. Eighth one says an AP consists of 50 terms, of which the third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So here I know that third term means A3. So A3 will be A plus 2D, that is equal to 12. So I will be giving it one number. And A50 means A plus 49D, that is 106. So 2. Now subtracting them, minus 47D will be equal to minus 94. So minus minus cancel. So D equal 4 by 47. So therefore D equal to 2. Now I got the value of D. I will be putting the D value. Putting D equal to 2 in equation 1, I will get 12 equal to A plus 2 into 2. So 12 minus 4 equal to A. So A equal to 4. Now I am asked A29 term. So A29 term will be A plus 28D. So A is 4 plus 28 into 2. So 8 plus 56. So A29 will be equal to 64. Now in the ninth question I am given A3, that is third term of an AP is 4 and ninth term is minus 8. To find the term which is 0. So using again the formula, A3 will be A plus 3 minus 1D. So therefore A plus 2D equal to 4. this is 1, and say similarly a9, a plus 9 minus 1d. So therefore a plus ad is minus a. Now first of all solving them, so 1 implies a plus 2d equal to 4, 2 implies a plus 8d equal to minus a. Now subtracting them, a got cancelled, minus 6d equal to 4 plus 8, so 12. So d equal to minus 12 upon 6. So therefore d equal to minus 2. Now d equal to minus 2, putting in 1. Putting d equal to minus 2 in 1. So a plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4. So a equal to 4 plus 4. So a equal to 8. Now I know the value of a, I know the value of d, and I am asked the term which is 0. So again using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d, I have to find the value of n. So this is an is 0, a is 8 plus n I don't know, and d was minus 2. So into minus 2. So minus 8 equal to minus 2 into n minus 1. So can I say minus 8 upon minus 2 equal to n minus 1? So 4 equal to n minus 1. So 4 plus 1 equal to n. So n is 5. So fifth term of the AP will be 0. Now next question, that is 10th question, says if 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, find the common difference. So here what is given to me? A17 minus A10 equal to 7 is given to me. So now I have to find the value of d. So can I say a plus 17 minus 1d? This is a17 term, right? And a10 term will be a plus 10 minus 1d. So therefore a plus 16d minus a plus 9d equal to 7. So a plus 16d minus a minus 9d will be equal to 7. So a cancel, 16 minus 9. So 7d equal to 7. So d equal to 7 by 7. So d equal to 1. Now 11th sum is, he has given us which term of the AP, okay, 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than 54 term. So I need to find 132 more than 54th term. So A54. So here see, I can say A is 3, D is 15 minus 3, that is 12. So using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d, A54 will be a. So 3 plus 54 minus 1 into 12. So this will be A54 will be equal to 3 plus 53 into 12. So that will be 3 plus 6, 36. So 639. So I got A54 equal to 639. 132 more. So 132 more will be equal to 639 plus 132. So that is 771. Now he is asking which will be this term. So Now again the formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now 771 equal to a was 3 plus n I don't know and d was 12. So can I say 771 minus 3 upon 12 will be equal to n minus 1? So n minus 1 equal to 53. So n equal to 54. Now 12th question says two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? So now two APs are there. So for the first AP, let A be the first term and for second AP, first term be A dash. Now, so A 100 term for the first AP will be A plus 99D and 1000 term for the first AP will be A plus 999D. Now for second AP, let me write here first and second so that you understand. A dash 100 will be A dash plus 99D and A 1000th term dash equal to A dash plus 999D. Given me the difference between 100 term is 100. So can I say A minus A dash equal to 100? So can we put here the values A plus 99D minus A dash plus 99D, so 100. So here if I open the bracket, see, minus A dash minus 99D equal to 100. So 99D will get cancelled. So A minus A dash equal to 100. I got this second equation. Now difference between 1000th equation. See, 1000th equation for the first one was A plus 999D and for the second it was A dash plus 999D. So that will be equal to A plus 999D minus A dash minus 999D. So again this got cancelled. So A minus A dash. So that will be equal to 100. So difference between their 1000 term will be. See, now the 13th one is asking how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So if I see carefully, see the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the biggest will be 999. So smallest number divisible by 7 will be 105. So that will be my A, and next number divisible by 7 will be 112. So this will be A2. So D will be A2 minus A1. So that is 112 minus 105. So that will be always 7. See, the largest number, largest 3-digit number is 999, and when 999 divided by 7 we get remainder 5. So therefore it means that 5 is remaining. So if I subtract 5 from 999, I will get number divisible by 7. So therefore 999 minus 5 will be equal to 994. Now if you carefully see, 994 is divisible by 7. So therefore I can say AN equal to 994. Now see AP how it formed. First number was 105, second was 112. Then if I add 7 in that, so 119, so on. And last number is 994. Now I have to find how many numbers are there. So N I have to find. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So AN is 994, A is 105, D is 7, and N minus 1 I don't know. So 994 minus 105 upon 7 will give me N minus 1. So if I divide it, I will get N minus 1 equal to 127. Therefore N equal to 120. That means there are 128 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Next is how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. So again doing the same way, see first multiple of 4 after 10 is 12, and next will be 16. So I can say 12, 16, 20, and so on it will go. Now still I don't know the last number. So to get last number it should be below 250. When we divide 250 by 4, remainder is 2. Therefore subtracting 2 from 250 gives 248, and 248 is divisible by 4. So therefore 12, 16, 20, so on till 248 it is the AP. So A is 12, D is 4, AN is 248. So now if we solve that, see using the formula AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So 248 equal to 12 plus N minus 1 into 4. So 248 minus 12 divided by 4 equal to N minus 1. So N minus 1 will be equal to 59. So N equal to 60. So I can say there are 60 numbers which are divisible by 4 between 10 and 2. Now 15th one is for what value of N are the N terms of AP 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal. So I have to find the value which is equal, that is nth term which is equal in both. So see for first AP A is 63, D is 2. So AN will be A plus N minus 1D. So AN will be 63 plus 2 into N minus 1. So I can say 63 plus 2N minus 2. So 61 plus 2N, that is first. Now for second AP, A is 3, D is 7. AN will be A plus N minus 1D. So AN will be 3 plus 7 into N minus 1. So 3 plus 7N minus 7. So 7N minus 4 I will get here. So, but he is saying that 1 and 2 are equal for what value? So let us check. So 61 plus 2N equal to 7N minus 4. So now like terms I am taking on one side. So 61 plus 4 equal to 7N minus 2N. So 65 equal to 5N. So N equal to 65 by 5. So therefore N equal to 13. So 13 term is such which is same in both of them. Now 16th one he says determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So third term is 16. Therefore A plus 2D will be equal to 16. This will be first one. Now A7 will be A plus 6D and A5 will be A plus 4D. So A7 minus A5 will be equal to A plus 6D minus A plus 4D. That will be A plus 6D minus A minus 4D. So 2D. So now this difference is 12. So D is 12 by 2. So therefore D is 6. Now he has told us to find the AP. So D I got. Now putting D equal to 6 in 1. A plus 2 into 6 will be equal to 16. So A equal to 16 minus 12. So A equal to 4. Therefore AP is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. Now 17th one he has given. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 dot 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 253. So see, A is 3, D will be 8 minus 3, so that will be 5, and AN is 253. So I can directly say AN equal to A plus N minus 1D formula I have to use. So 253 equal to 3 plus 5 into N minus 1. So my number will be, N value will be 253 minus 3 divided by 5. That will be total number of N's here. So 250 upon 5 equal to N minus 1. So 50 will be equal to N minus 1. So N equal to 51 term. Now if I cut 20 from 51, I will get 32 term. So A32 I have to find. So that will be A plus 31D. Now A is 3 plus 31 into D is 5. So 3 plus 155. So 158. So The 20th term from the last will be 158. Now, 18th one he has given the sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and the 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of an AP. So, see here the general formula will be AN equal to A plus N minus 1D and A4 will be A plus 3D and A8. So A8 will be A plus 7D. So A4 plus A8 equal to 2A plus 10D. Say K 24 equal to 2A plus 10D. This I am taking as one number. Now, the second one he has said A6 and A10. A6 plus A10 equal to 44. So, using the formula directly, I can say A plus 5D plus A plus 9D will be 44. So, A plus A, 2A, 9 plus 5, 14D equal to 44. 2. Now, from 1 and 2, if I subtract 2A plus 10D equal to 24 and second implies 2A plus 14D equal to 44. If I subtract them, see 2A cancel, minus 4D equal to minus 20. So, I will get D equal to 5 because minus both sides will get cancelled and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So I got D equal to 5. Now I have to put this in equation 1. So putting D equal to 5 in 1. 24 equal to 2A plus 10 into 5. So 24 minus 50 equal to 2A. Minus 26 equal to 2A. So A equal to minus 30. Now A I know D. So first 3 terms of AP will be minus 13, then second will be minus 13 plus 5, so minus 8, and third will be minus 8 plus 5, so minus 3. Now 19th one, it says Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000. Okay, so A is 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Okay, so D is 200. In which year did his income reach to rupees 7,000? So AN is 7,000. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So 7,000 equal to 5,000 plus 200 into N minus 1. So 7,000 minus 5,000 equal to 200 into N minus 1. So 2,000 upon 200 equal to N minus 1. So 10 equal to N minus 1. So N equal to 11. So in the 11th year, he reached to 7,000 salary. Now 20th one is Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased. Okay, so A is 5 and then increased our weekly saving by rupees 1.75. So D is 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving became rupees 20.75, so an equal to 20.75. So find n. So again I will use the same formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So 20.75 equal to 5 plus 1.75 into n minus 1. So 20.75 minus 5 will be equal to 1.75 into n minus 1. 15.75 upon 1.75 equal to n minus 1. So 9 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 10. So in the 10th